I have a makeup trick for you where I can take a matte foundation and turn it into looking more luminous. Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. Well, I'm definitely in the mature skin category now. I'm 62 and, have some of the dry skin problems that a lot of people do, a lot of women do after they turn 40. Although between my diet and my skincare regimen, that's helped. But sometimes I don't like how a matte foundation looks on me. So today I'll be showing you online in the next clip how I take this matte foundation, which is from Il Makiage, and I'm going to apply 2 other products to my skin beforehand to turn it more luminous looking, which I'm looking in my monitor now, and I'm actually filming this part after I do my makeup in the magic of television. So the other thing I want to tell you is that all products that I'm showing and all products that I'm wearing are in the description box below the video. Now, if you don't know how to open up the description box, I totally understand. If you're watching on a phone or any other mobile device, you go below the video and on the right side, there's a little V. Tap the little V, that opens up the description box, and then you can scroll down and find the products and all of the links. You just tap the links and go check out the products for yourself. If you're watching on a computer, go below the video, and on the left side, you'll see the word show more. Click those words, show more, and that opens up the description box, and you can scroll through and check out all of the products. All right, so that's how you can check these out. Now in the next clip, I'll have a fresh, clean face, and we'll start from scratch. I'm not going to put on all my makeup on camera though, so this video will be shorter than a full face of makeup. So let's get right to it. I'm going to start by applying some Correction Concentrate by Pixi on my under eyes, my under eye trough area, and I'll do that on fast motion. Now I'm ready for the products that will help with creating a more luminous look under matte foundation. And I'm going to start with an oil, just 3 drops. And I'm using the oil by Honest Beauty. It's very affordable. It doesn't have a scent. And it has a dropper. I'm just going to put 3 drops in my hand. And I'll take it together in my fingertips, and I'm just going to press it all over. I'm avoiding that under eye area that I just did, and I'm not going to put anything luminous on my neck, so just my face. And you'll notice I'm pressing it in. I'm not a big fan of oil on my face. I've tried oils in my skincare regimen, and it depends. They're okay. It just depends on what it is. I don't like them all over my whole face. So letting that set there for a little bit, the next product I'm going to apply is a primer, but it's a luminous primer from Physicians Formula called Spotlight. Of course, everything's linked in the description box below. It's a pump, and I'm only going to use 1 full pump. Spread it between my fingers and apply it in bits around my face, and then I'll rub it in just with my fingers, avoiding that eye area again, and just on the face. Okay, so now that is going to give me a luminous look under the foundation. Now, I want that just to set for a few minutes, so I'm going to go off camera and come right back. Now that that primer has had some time to get into my skin, it's been about 2 minutes, I'm using the Il Makiage Woke Up Like This foundation in the color 035. And I'm going to, it's a pump, just apply this, smear it around a little bit before I go at it with my brush. This foundation tends to be a little bit matte. Now, there was a younger YouTuber who recommended a foundation she likes that's matte by L'Oreal. I don't remember which one it was. I'm going to do a little bit more. But when I read reviews of it, people were saying it's heavily fragrance. Well, if you've watched any of my videos, you know I can't do fragrance. I really can't unless it's super light. So, okay, now I have too much makeup. So I skipped it because I thought, you know, if I can find a drugstore brand that people like, but it's matte, I would give it a try. So if you have a foundation that you like, that's a drugstore brand, that's matte, first of all, try this method. Buy these products, or if you have an oil you like, use it, but definitely get a more illuminating primer. But let me know in the comments which matte foundations you like. Okay, I'm using a regular mirror in front of me here, and it's, with my eyesight, it's not that great. So I'm going to take my 10x mirror here, and okay, you know, I have a monitor of what the camera sees, and it's hard to tell. It's, you know, a distance. I'll have to see in my regular light, in my daylight, and I'm in studio lighting here. But in my regular mirror, it looks pretty good. I mean, it's not flat. It's not sticking to dry spots. So I'm going to put on the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. And I'm back. I think I've got my glow on here, even with this matte foundation. Just that little bit, that one pump of this primer, and then, you know, a little bit of the oil, tiny bit, help to make a matte foundation really look luminous. If you want to check out some of my other videos on foundation for mature skin, check out one of the videos on the right side of your screen, or I'll have several more linked in the description box below. I have a whole playlist on foundation for mature skin, so go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.